welcoming Command Sergeant Major Cole, the Army Aviation Branch Command Sergeant Major, Chief Warrant Officer 5, Mike Corsaro, Chief Warrant Officer of the Branch and Colonel Joshua Ruas Sanchez, Deputy Commander at Aviation Center for Fort Novosel. Chancellor Hawkins is presenting a game ball to the command representative, and we thank Fort Novosel for providing today's pregame fly. Trojan Man, let's hear a round of applause for the command representative and all soldiers from Fort Novosel that have joined us here today. Please welcome to the field the flight crew from the home of Army Aviation, Fort Novosel, Alabama. Captain Luke Harris, Captain Natalie Shore, CCW3 Michael Pesamoska, CCW4 Philip Thaggard, Sergeant First Class Brian Leach, Captain Tyler Tabano, Staff Sergeant Emmanuel Carter, CCW4 Jason Skelton, CCW3 Brandon Nyman, Staff Sergeant Wayne Gordon, Staff Sergeant Manuel Montenegro, and the Air Mission Commander for State Flyover, Captain Sam Hartman.